With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, what is true about regeneration? And the options are beak in birds, tails in lizard, fish, fins, and the last one is all the above. So as we all know that formation of new cells, okay, new cells or tissues from the injured part, okay, injured part of the body is called as regeneration, correct? Regeneration. And it occurs in plants as well as in animals. Regeneration occurs in plants as well as animals, correct? So regeneration of beak in birds, tails in lizard, fish, fins are the best example of regeneration. So our correct option is option 4, that is all the above. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.